Okay, so in today's video we'll be unboxing this electric shaver. We just got it in the post, so we're going to open it and then check it out. So right away the box is very light, so this seems like it's a very easy to use and portable machine. So yeah, what we have here is a Philips OneBlade. Now I've seen these in stores, but I never quite got to see this one in person. It looks a lot smaller than the brand ones that I've used to see. So yeah, this is going to be this one. And it has a couple different options for blades you can use. But yeah, it looks like that should be good. And this was brand new, and Philips is already a fairly reputable brand, so there is absolutely no off-brand type stuff here. So to get in further, we're going to have to cut this little thingy here. I'm not sure how they want. Alright, let's try going in from this angle. There we go. So yeah. So that's this really kind of neat fold out thingy here, and yeah, this is it. So it has, I believe, this device here, which... Oh, I see. So you can, if you want to trim your beard to a certain length, instead of just shaving it all the way. So there's a little length selector, and that will change the setting here so that it goes to a certain length. You have the unit itself, which is a lot smaller than other shavers. And then somewhere should be our actual blade itself, which is going to be a little cartridge. But first we have a USB charger, just a regular 2-pin connector on the end. Sadly, no USB-C. We actually have a cover to protect the blade when it's in transit. And we should have the blade itself. Now, what is this here? Oh, it's a charger. You have to put it in there. So yeah, that's nice. So it looks like you can either put it on the docking station, or you can plug the cord directly into the unit itself, and that will likely need to be charged. I'm guessing in the very end here is going to be our little cartridge. And it looks like they give us a few ones here. First thing of note, with all of these blades here, they give you a few different styles here. There's a few different guards to help with different areas of skin. And it should also include a couple of the little blades like these. And the first thing I note is even when I touch it with my finger, I do not get cut immediately, so it's not like a regular shaver. Then how does this one work? Okay, so these just clip out. Anyways, most of these should just be able to clip onto the shaver itself. Then that should just work like that.